Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make eggs like IHOP easy method. Start by whisking 3 eggs with a tablespoon of milk and a pinch of salt. Heat 2 teaspoons of butter over medium-low heat until it foams. Pour the eggs in and stir slowly with a spatula, scraping the pan bottom. Remove just before fully set to allow carryover cooking. Rest briefly, then serve immediately for tender, restaurant-style eggs. Preheat your nonstick pan, then reduce to medium-low to keep eggs tender and prevent browning. Melt butter until it separates and just starts to foam. Pour in the whisked eggs and stir slowly with a silicone spatula, folding from edges to center. Keep the curds large and soft by avoiding constant rapid stirring. Stop cooking when slightly custardy. Residual heat will finish them. Plate promptly for best texture and warmth. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like the video. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty for durable, comfy wear that survives every kitchen shift. I love them for all-day standing while cooking those IHOP-style eggs. Check the description for the link and other deals. Grab a pair if you want lasting comfort. Now let's get back to the video. Season eggs toward the end of cooking with salt and pepper so flavors stay bright. If using cheese, add a handful in the final seconds and fold gently to melt without breaking curds. Fresh herbs are best chopped fine and sprinkled after plating to preserve aroma. For more servings, cook in 2 pans to keep heat consistent and texture uniform. Serve immediately with buttered toast or pancakes for a classic IHOP feel.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.